morning, everyone. We're up in my office getting ready for our craft videos today.
Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this. Look at this. We're doing some painting. No one touches. No one touches. No one touches.
The red one is mine.
Yeah, I like it.
My pink.
Your pink one?
That one and that one.
They're cute, huh? I thought you would like this green, do you?
Mom. Yep.
Yeah?
I have that one.
Anyways, we're just getting this started. We're filming in a little while, but I should have done this last night. And yesterday was just so crazy, and we got home really late, and I just totally forgot. And even on the way home, I was like, oh, I need to hurry and paint those little figures, and then I forgot. What? Oh, do you like those?
Yeah.
I'm really hoping that today goes well and everything works out. I did want to do 4 videos, but I think we're only going to do 2 today just because it's been a while and I'm a little rusty. Like getting stuff ready, I was like, crap, I don't know if I have everything. And I mean, yesterday just kind of turned into a busier day than I was planning for, and so I didn't get everything that I needed. But I feel good about filming 2 today just to like get back into it. And Winston and Layla have never really done craft videos, but I'm excited. I'm filming with someone new, and he's going to film and edit. So I think 2 is good. We'll just do 2, see how the day goes, and then hopefully it will go well and everything will go good, and we'll be able to do 4 every time we film, so that I'll have 4 videos a month, and we only have to do, yeah, more paintbrushes. And we only have to do 4 film days, or 1 film day a month is what I'm hoping for. So anyways, I love crafting. It makes me so happy. So I was excited to come up here this morning and start crafting. I think someone's knocking on the door. Did you hear that? Do you want to go get it? Did you hear the knocking? We're getting everything set up downstairs, and I'm so excited. Hopefully it goes well. I don't know. I mean, no matter what, I'll upload these videos, even if it's just going to be a learning, I feel like, for the next couple times we film, and I think that that's okay because we just want to have fun. But I painted these little figures. Look at this little turtle. How pretty is that? This is the paint that Braylee picked, and I painted it this like kind of the same color as my nails, this like peachy color, and then this is the paint that we put on top. It is so pretty. It's like more of like a gloss. It's kind of like a thicker paint, but it looks beautiful. I wish I would have put them on. Got that paint for all of them. I'll go down and show you kind of what's going on. I do plan on making a little set up here for our craft videos, so that we'll just have it all set up where my crafts are, because that makes a lot more sense. And we have this whole room out here. I mean, these little figures are so cute. The kids don't know what we're making because it's all going to be like a little challenge video, and they just have to kind of like come up with how they would put it together, so they don't know. And it's been really fun because they keep asking me, and they're so excited to find out what we're actually making. But anyways, I'm gonna head back down there and see if I can help do anything. And we're just going to film it at the kitchen table today. But yeah, eventually I think like I love this craft storage thing, and I think that that would be a great backdrop because I can slide it over and open it up, and then we have free range to whatever crafts we need. So I like the idea of like filming the craft stuff here. The window will be blocked. I have wallpaper. I have a really fun idea for this wall, and then cooking and stuff can be downstairs, and then whatever else I film, like beauty videos or anything like that, could be in my office. So that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see. Just needs to happen. I just need to make it happen. That's the hardest part, making it happen. All right, this is what we have going on. Who's ready? Who's gonna follow direction?
No one.
Who's gonna listen? Good job.
No one's following directions because they're in.
Yeah, there are going to be. Just if we need to be quiet. What if we need to be quiet? Then what are we gonna do?
Be quiet.
You guys are terrible examples. You guys know how to do this. You have to be good examples.
I actually don't know what you're doing.
You like those? Yeah?
What are we doing? I'm still
You'll see.
tired. I'm kind of out of it.
Hey, we're ready. It's happening. Who's ready? Raise your hand. Who's ready? Raise your hand. Yay! It would be really good to get this one filmed so that we know what to expect. It's been a long time since we made craft videos, so we're a little rusty. Will be Layla's first craft video, I think. Have you made a craft video? I think I was holding you in one. You want to make a craft? Okay, we're gonna get started. We finished up filming and I'm so tired. Are you tired too? They had so much fun making the crafts that we made. After each one they were like, that was so fun to make, which makes me way more excited. Today went really well actually. I'm super happy with who I have helping me. He's so kind and nice and he's very creative. So I'm excited to work together a little bit more often, to get to know each other's styles. I just think like we don't know each other, so it's hard to be like, we need to do this, we need to do that. And I think once we see a cut of the video, that will make a big difference too. But I was like, anything you need us to do, just tell us. So, but I'm excited. I really think it's gonna go great. The kids did good. It is always a little stressful to film with kids, just to be completely honest. I enjoy it and I love doing it, but like there's a lot of yelling and screaming and talking over each other and complaining and things breaking. You know, that just happens with filming with kids. But I just did it so different this time. I don't expect my kids to like sit here and teach you, and this is what we're doing like I kind of did in the past, which worked and we still had fun. But like Winston wanted to be done crafting and so he left. I didn't make him finish the video. I was like, no way. But
we saw a bug. White.
Yeah. What happened? What did it do? It flew right in there and we thought it was gonna start on fire. Huh. Now it's gone. I don't know where it went. Like a big bee or something. Was it? It was just completely black though. Like flew in here and we could hear it while we were filming. It was so loud. And then we looked up and it was like bouncing around inside of the light bulb. We were like, oh no. But I don't know where it went. Hopefully it flew back outside.
He said, don't me film it?
Yeah, it was funny, huh? We were all staring at it.
And it was flying over me down.
I really like how you did your hair today, Winston. Anyways, we had fun. The kids really liked the crafts, so I'm excited to show you guys so that you can do them with your families. It was just, they're really simple. Really, really simple. I wanted to start with just a couple really fun, easy crafts. You are silly. Oh my gosh, your tongue matches your eyeballs. And then hopefully we'll get into some more advanced crafting. But it was fun to surprise the kids because they had no clue what we were making, and to hear them guess what we were making was just so much fun. So I know I'm planning on all of the videos, or like kind of like starting to get on a better schedule in September, because August is just busy. I want to be ahead so that like the next time we film we can get started with some Halloween stuff and just kind of be a little bit ahead, so we're not ever trying to play catch up. What is it?
Remember the tape?
Oh, the glue dots?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Did you have fun today?
Yep.
Good.
Yep.
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 You want to make more crafts?
After we eat dinner.
Oh yeah. We made something and the kids wanted to make more, and I don't know where Braylee and Gage went. They went to a neighbor's house, and me and Winston are hungry and tired, huh? So
But I want to make crafts.
So we decided that we would wait until everyone got home, go and get some dinner, and then make some more. Huh? They were fun. You're a goofball, Call. Always so cheesy for the camera.
I'm telling you.
Anyways, I'm tired and I need to get stuff put away, but I think I'm gonna take a little break and then we'll go eat and then we'll get stuff cleaned up while the kids are finishing up some crafts that they want to make. That is yours. I love it. But we can't show them yet. We have to wait until the video comes out. It's all a surprise. Then they'll see it in the video. What do you think about that? You can't show it. No. Poor Roro. Her eye's looking a little swollen. I actually think I'm gonna call the vet and see if that's okay. We've been doing eye drops, but her like around her eye looks swollen. So, I mean, it's looking better, but it just looks a little puffy and I don't want her to be in any pain. She is taking pain medication, so hopefully she's okay, but I would just I want to save her eyeball, but I don't want her to be in pain. And then a part of me is like, I mean, when it originally happened, I had high hopes that it would all go well, that we'd be able to save her vision. And so I felt like it was really worth it to do the surgery, do whatever we had to do to try to save her eye, because she's just a little baby puppy. And so that was kind of just like, yeah, definitely do the surgery, because they were like, she could still lose her eyeball, but
Beak.
Ooh.
Save with eye.
Yeah, you can play with that. And so I wanted to try to save her eyeball, but now we're kind of at the point that it's like, she's like, there's a very small chance that she'll ever have vision again in that eye, but we're just trying to save the eyeball. I just don't want her to be uncomfortable. I mean, she still is like running around and so adorable and so cute, and we've been playing with her and she seems in good spirits, but if that's hurting her, it makes me feel so terrible not knowing what happened. It makes me feel crappy that I didn't prevent what happened. I just feel really sad about it.
We don't know what happened, but nobody does.
What'd you say?
Nobody does know what happened.
I know, nobody knows what happened. I bet Rosie knows what happened because I bet it really hurt.